Team Puma. Today I'm going to do a sandwich pour with blues, and we'll run over the things that I have real quick. I have a 12 by 12 canvas. It does have the cups underneath it on one side for an incline because I'm going to be pouring and I want it to run down this way. I have the oversized push pins. Put that back on there. It's a little uneven, but I think that'll work. Okay, I have a big cup for putting all of the paints in. I have my white base with silicone. That's my cell activator. I have my sky blue and pale blue blues. This will take the lid off while I'm going over everything. Metallic cobalt blue, and this does have silicone. And metallic blue, and all of these are Artist Loft. Just gonna give them a quick stir because they have been stored for a little while. I have a paper towel and craft sticks. These 2-ounce cups that I'm using are linked below. I get them on Amazon as the craft sticks. I have a couple of spreaders in case I need them. Number 3 and a number 5 palette knives. It wouldn't really matter. You could use a spatula, you could use a crafting stick, you could use a larger crafting stick like a tongue depressor. You know, you don't have to have the palette knife. Necessarily. Okay. So with the sandwich pour, I'm going to be pouring in a lot more of my white than my colors. And I'm practicing this for a larger painting for my stepson who loves white with blue accents. So I'm really going for a lot of white. I'm going to start with the light blue. Try not to drop it from too high so it stays on top, it doesn't drop through. Scrape it out. Okay. That's that one. Then I'm going to use this, the metallic cobalt. It's kind of like a teal, turquoise-ish color. No, just kidding. I'm going to put more white in. I forgot I want white in like every aspect of this painting. Because sandwich pours generally have a lot of white, or if you use black instead. But I want extra white. I just want blue accents. I'm going to run out of white base if I'm not careful. So there's that cobalt blue. Let's scrape this one out. Sorry, I'm not scraping it out towards you. I'm right-handed and you get a better purchase on the paint on the inside. Okay, I'm going to put some more white in. And my blue, this is the metallic blue. It's very metallic-y, I love it. And because there's actually quite a bit of it, I'm not going to put all of it in. and it's so dark. Add more white. Right on top. I want just enough white to cover it. All right, now we pour. That's cool. I'm going to take it off of the incline. You can see all the shine coming through those metallic paints. I love it. Go down. Sorry if I lost you in that shot. I was trying to chase the paint. Oh, and I did put on the back of this, I forgot to mention it earlier, I did put masking tape on the back of it. Bringing some over to the corners. I am in love with this. Love, love, love this. Let me know what you guys think. I completely missed this edge over here though. So I'm gonna have to hopefully get it over without ruining the picture. Hopefully it'll all just flow over nicely without stretching too much out. And I can help it along here. Come on, just a little bit more, you. Just a little bit more. Okay, got it. Okay, I'm gonna take my gloves off. The pouring medium I used, I have a video about it, but it's also in the description below. It is 70% glue wall and 30% water. And with these paints, I did a 1 paint ratio, 2 paints to pouring medium because they are thicker paints. And I have a video kind of describing my process of what I do, like why do I do what I do and how do I do it. So I do have that. It is video, the pouring medium is video number 1. And the painting, or how to mix your paints, is video number 2. So I'm going to torch this just to pop any bubbles, bring up some more cells. I'm not staying in one place too long, and I'm also not touching the paint with the torch. You want to make sure that you don't do that because it can burn the paint, it can dry it out weirdly, it can like cause like rippling. It's just not good. You don't want to do that. So you just want enough heat to pop any bubbles and to promote cells. I'm going to go a little slower here in these areas that I want to promote a few more cells. Okay. And there it is. I'm going to bring you down for a close-up. Look at those. Oh, I love it. I love like the lacing of the colors, and I love the cells. This was a good practice. I wanted it to be really special for him, and I've never done like, I mean, I've done sandwich boards before, but I haven't done like one specific for a person, a way that they kind of want it. So I wanted just to see like what would happen, and this is looking good. I think that they'll like the results, even if a different one looks a little bit different. So, all right. Well, that was a quick video today. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment. If you like this video, subscribe, hit the button, all that jazz. Like, subscribe, ring the bell. It'll notify you of any new videos that I do. Goodbye, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Hi guys, this is Puma Cub. If you like this video, leave a like and subscribe. And ring that bell, ding-a-ling-ling, to see what's new. Bye for now.